Did you know that businesses worldwide are spending billions of dollars every year on digital marketing? But here's the kicker: most of them struggle to find skilled marketers to help them grow. This gap is your opportunity. In this video, you'll discover exactly how to make money as a digital marketer, even if you're starting from scratch. I'll share actionable strategies that anyone can follow to turn this high-demand skill into a consistent income source, whether you want a side hustle or a six-figure career. Let's face it, most people struggle to make money because they don't have a marketable skill. The traditional job market is becoming more competitive, and the 9-to-5 grind barely leaves room for growth. Meanwhile, businesses are desperate for help to thrive in the digital world. They need people who can help them rank on Google, create effective social media campaigns, and turn followers into paying customers. The problem? Most people think digital marketing is too complicated or requires years of experience. But the truth is, you can learn these skills quickly and start earning in just weeks. In this video, I'll break it all down for you so you can see how realistic and profitable this path can be. 1. Why digital marketing is the most profitable skill today. Digital marketing is the backbone of every successful online business. From small local shops to billion-dollar companies, everyone needs to attract customers online. That's why the demand for skilled digital marketers has skyrocketed. Consider this: over 4.6 billion people are online today. That's billions of potential customers businesses want to reach, and they'll pay handsomely to anyone who can help them do it. Digital marketing isn't just a job. It's a gateway to limitless opportunities because you can apply these skills anywhere in the world. For example, if you learn how to run Facebook ads, you could help a small clothing brand double its sales. That's not just valuable to the brand, it's incredibly profitable for you because businesses are willing to share a percentage of their success with you. The beauty of digital marketing is that you can earn in multiple ways: freelancing, consulting, or even creating your own digital products. It's a future-proof skill that grows with the internet. 2. What is digital marketing? And why it's the ultimate money-making skill. Digital marketing is simply promoting products or services online using tools like social media, websites, email, and ads. Think about it. Every time you see an ad on YouTube or click on a link from an email, a digital marketer is behind it. Their job is to create campaigns that make people take action, whether it's buying a product, signing up for a newsletter, or visiting a website. For example, companies like Amazon use email marketing to remind you about items left in your cart. That email might seem simple, but it's the result of a carefully crafted strategy that brings in millions of dollars daily. Digital marketing is like a digital toolbox. You don't need to know everything, but mastering even one tool can make you valuable. Whether it's writing, designing, or analyzing data, there's a niche for everyone. 3. The top 5 high-paying digital marketing niches. If you want to maximize your earnings, focus on high-demand niches. Let's break down 5 of the most lucrative ones. 1. Search engine optimization, SEO, helping websites rank higher on Google. Example: ranking a local bakery on the first page can double its customer base. 2. Pay-per-click advertising, PPC, running paid ads on platforms like Google and Facebook. Example: a single well-targeted ad campaign can generate thousands in revenue. 3. Social media marketing, managing content and ad campaigns on platforms like Instagram and TikTok. Example: growing a brand's TikTok following can skyrocket its visibility. 4. Content marketing, creating blogs, videos, and other content that drive traffic. Example: writing a viral blog post can attract thousands of potential customers. 5. Email marketing, sending targeted emails to boost sales. Example: a single email campaign can generate thousands in revenue during a sale. Pick one niche, learn it well, and you'll be unstoppable. 4. Step-by-step, how to start as a digital marketer with no experience. Starting from scratch? Here's what to do. 1. Learn the basics. Take advantage of free resources like YouTube tutorials and blogs. Start by understanding one niche, like SEO or social media. 2. Get certified. Platforms like Google and HubSpot offer free certifications that boost your credibility. 3. Build a portfolio. Offer your services for free or at a discount to local businesses or friends. Document the results to showcase your skills. 4. Join freelance platforms. Create profiles on Upwork and Fiverr, emphasizing your niche expertise. 5. Network. Join online communities, attend webinars, and connect with potential clients on LinkedIn. Success takes time, but every small step brings you closer to your goals. 5. How to make money as a freelancer in digital marketing. Freelancing gives you the flexibility to choose your clients and set your rates. Start by creating a professional profile on platforms like Fiverr. Highlight one service like social media management or ad creation and keep your description simple and results-focused. For example, instead of saying, "I run social media accounts," say, "I'll grow your Instagram following by 30% in 60 days. Clients love specific results. Once you get a few clients, ask for reviews. They're the key to attracting more business. Imagine this. 6 months from now, you could be earning double what you're making today, all because you took the first step to learn digital marketing. The biggest mistake you can make is waiting. The internet isn't slowing down, and neither is the demand for skilled marketers. Start now, and your future self will thank you. As the saying goes, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. If this video gave you clarity and confidence, don't forget to like it, subscribe, and comment below with the digital marketing niche you're most excited about. Check the description for free resources and my favorite tools to get started. And since you stayed until the end, YouTube has selected the perfect video for you to watch next. It's right on the screen. Click it and keep the momentum going.